welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking program, guys. We all know that it's coming up to summer and the kids are gonna be off from school, and you know sometimes some mom working this school also and they're gonna be off and at home with the kids. So we have a little simple little recipe where the mom or the dad can make this at home with the kids. Very easy, simple recipe, guys. It's lemon cupcake, and kids love cupcake. I know for sure because I'm a man of a father of one, so I know that kids love cupcake. So guys, I want you to make this at home this summer with the kids off from school. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel Lemon Cupcake from Chef Ricardo. And remember, my cooking book is out at the moment. Get a copy and share it with your friend. Enjoy the recipe. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. So basically, guys, you need a big bowl like this. Massive bowl. Second thing, I just grated a large lemon, as you can see, and right here, this is the usual part of the grater. 1, 2, 3, number 4 side of the grater, next to the big one. This one right here. That's the best part to use to grate your lemon. And kids cannot handle that part, so you need an adult to do that section. Basically, we're gonna weigh out some ingredients. First of all, this is 6 ounces of self-rising flour. Lovely. And this is 6 ounces of granulated white sugar. Pour it straight inside of it, guys, don't really matter. Right here I have 2 eggs room temperature. Shake it straight inside of it also. Lovely and nice. So we're gonna need some butter, which is very important to make this lovely lemon cupcake. 6 ounces of butter. And just a little bit more of butter. Lovely. Right, that's 6 ounces of butter. Then put it straight inside of it like that. Nice one. Then get your lemon and chuck it straight inside of it like this, guys. You want to adjust the grater. Straight inside of it. And basically you need some milk. All you need to do is just get 2 tablespoons of milk. So if I'm using my wooden spoon, that's fine. That's 1, 2. I might just put a little bit, a pinch more. Lovely and nice. So that's the milk we put inside of it. Then all you're gonna do is just basically use a wooden spoon or a whisk and just simply do a thing like this with everything inside of it together. Don't worry yourself. But I want to say, if you do have so you have like that you know, the mixer we use to mix ingredients together, you can use that if you have one at home, guys. If you don't have that one, all you need to do is just do the same thing what I'm doing right here and make it at home with the kids for this summer. So as you can see, you get really. So what I'm gonna do, use my whisk now and just simply do a thing like this. Give it a nice lovely whisk. This is very, very easy to make, guys. Very easy. So as you can see, look at that. First of all, I want to simply say to you, preheat your oven first at gas mark 6 or 7 is good. Basically, if you're using a different kind of oven, 175 is good for it for roughly 15 minutes inside of your oven, guys. So it's not taking long, very easy to prepare, just have a little patience. especially when you're working with kids at home. So guys, as you can see, this is ready. And now we're gonna lay the cupcake now and bake them in the oven for roughly 15 minutes. This is just lovely and nice. Enjoy the recipe. Lovely and nice. So basically guys, what I did, I transfer it into a container like this where I can pour it out. And as you can see, I lay out all of my cupcake sheet them inside of my, and I'm gonna do 12 right here. So if you're at home and you want to do with the kids them, as you can see, you're gonna do 12. So basically take a little time and simple, pour a little bit, not too much. Basically that is a little bit too much too. Lovely. Nice one. As you can see, because we are doing 12 cupcake guys, and we don't want to go over it. Basically, if any amount leave back inside, you can always make some more differently. But if you're at home and you're making this with the kids then, this is what you need to do. So as you can see, so lovely and very, very easy to prepare. Less than 20 minutes. So if you got patient with the kids then, you can do this also. Nice one. And I have 2 more to do. I want you guys to just see exactly what I'm doing. Lemon cookie. I'm gonna make the icing for the lemon cookie to show you. It's very easy. I can make it for you guys. As you can see, really nice. And I'm just pouring out the rest. Make up the one that a little bit more. Oh, that's beautiful. So as you can see, scrape out what left inside of this one. And this could take a little bit more. Nice one. So now we're gonna put it straight inside of the oven for roughly 15 minutes. If not, you can give it another 2 more minutes, guys. All depends on the kind of oven where you're using. So now we're gonna put them in the oven. Looking lovely and nice, is it? Really, really nice. And the kids that will love this one this summer. Enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely. I just take them from the oven, guys. As you can see, they come out so perfect and really nice. And as I say, right here you can make the kids them happy this summer, guys, by make them some lovely lemon cupcake like this. Only thing I'm really sorry, I did want to make the icing, but I didn't have any icing sugar. But if you want to make the icing, basically what you need to do is so simple, guys. It's just to have 125 grams of icing sugar, sieve it and squeeze 1 lemon juice in it and just whisk it up, and that's the icing sugar with that 125 grams of butter also. So guys, enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. We got a lot more recipe like this coming out for the kids. It's summer and the kids will be happy if you have this in this summer, guys. As you can see, looking so lovely and nice. So enjoy the recipe. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. Bye bye. Basically, I want to simply say to you, remember self-rising flour. I give you a quick little tips. We use self-rising flour, and basically just put it in the oven, the middle part of the oven. Don't put your top in the middle of the oven, and just cook it for roughly 15 minutes, guys. It's so easy and simple. Gas mark 5 or 6. If you're using a different oven, 165 or 175 is good for you. And take them out and cool them down like this, and then you can make your icing. And I'm gonna make a lemon icing, put on the YouTube channel. That's the guys can see. That's next time you can know to make the icing. If you don't see the recipe on my website, on my YouTube channel, you will see it on my website at chefricardocooking.com. That's my blog. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Nice. Hopefully you enjoyed the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program, guys. We have a lot more recipe coming out for kids cause this summer school break up for a nice good 6 weeks. So guys, enjoy the recipe and visit my blog at chefricardocooking.com for recipe. Enjoy it. Bye bye.